If you believe your Roblox account has been compromised, it's important to take action immediately to recover your account securely. So, firstly, go to the Roblox login page and click Forgot Password or Username. Then simply enter the email address associated with your account and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't receive the email, simply check your spam, junk folder, or try any other email addresses you may have used. If you are still unable to log in, or if your account has been completely locked, then all you have to do is simply open the new tab and in search engine type down Roblox support for help. Then go to the Roblox support page, and once you are inside the Roblox support page, they will ask for your birthday. Then simply enter your Roblox account's birthday date and continue with the process. Now provide as much information as possible: username, any transaction receipts, email associated with the account, etc. to verify your identity. After that, Roblox will contact you as soon as possible. So keep checking up to your email. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.